Hey guys, how's it going today? This is cryptoFOXXY and thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some price analysis, where some analysts think we can go, and basically talk about when we're going to hit $81,000 for Bitcoin. So let's jump into it in this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button and subscribe to my channel as well for more cryptocurrency news. So let's have a look at CoinMarketCap before we get into our news article today. We are down very, very slightly, less than a percent in the overall cryptocurrency market, and we're sitting at 2.11 trillion. Bitcoin's sitting at 60,210. It is up just slightly over the last hour, 24 hours, and 3% on the 7-day chart. We'll take a look and see who our biggest gainers are today. Not very much going on, just very, very marginal increases. We've got BitTensor Tau, we got FET with ASI. Ethereum and KuCoin token, Monero, and there's a couple other ones slightly in the green, but not very much there. So let's talk about our article here. So when can we could potentially see the $81,000 mark? Well, Bitcoin seemingly is regaining its bullish momentum that we kind of lost that last week when we saw the low that came in at about 49,000. But if this trend continues over the coming weeks, the cryptocurrency could soon record another all-time high. And this sentiment is echoed by a couple of different analysts I'm going to talk about in this video. One of them I follow. One of them is Yoda. Yoda says that Bitcoin's poised to reach a record high of $81,000, dropping to a low of 49K last week. Yoda describes this drop as a liquidation hunt. I tend to agree with this. I think that really just the overall sentiment in the overall market. I think anytime we get some even slightly bearish news, the crypto market sometimes will do this liquidation hunt, like he calls it, and we'll see these flash crashes, just basically getting rid of liquidated positions, making them stop out, and that's what I think happened here. We got some kind of crappy news from the Fed with interest rates and stuff like that, and inflation. And then we talking about Japan and all that other stuff. And we had, Germany just recently selling all of their Bitcoin. And, I think that just accumulated and people are like, boom, let's dump, because this will give, obviously a chance for lower prices, and they can get in a little bit lower. Because when you start seeing massive sell-offs and big wallets selling off, it's going to scare the rest of the community. And a lot of people will end up selling their position, which absolutely, I hate doing that. I never really FOMO sell. I'm going to call it a FOMO sell because it's fear of missing out. You think you can sell and buy back lower, and sometimes that doesn't happen because it's really hard to catch the bottom at times. But Bitcoin since rebounded from this, returning to trade within its monthly range of above 60K. So while this analyst interprets this as a sign of underlying bullish momentum, that is pretty cool. So Bitcoin's just below its yearly high, a crucial resistance level, and if Bitcoin can close August with strength, it could easily surpass the $81,000 mark. So projections indicate that Bitcoin has the potential to reach a high of $244,890, though these are considered long-term goals. That's basically what that analyst has to say. The $65,000 level, which marked the peak before the liquidation hunt, remains important to reclaim. I do agree with that. I think 65 is kind of a pivotal point, and I think anytime we're going to hit 65K, we're probably going to hit 70. But if Bitcoin can close above 81, it could pave the way for an even higher prices with longer term targets. So they believe we can hit 112,000, 157,000, and 244. Another analyst, this is the one that I actually follow, Michael Van de Pope, noted on August 9th in the post on X that says the asset is doing great. Pope pointed out that this guy is really, really smart, and I really like reading some of his analysis. He pointed out that investors should watch for the 57.5 support zone, which is critical for maintaining bullish momentum. And he says if this support holds, there's strong potential for Bitcoin to rally towards an all-time high in the September to October timeframe. See, guys, it's not just me pointing out the fall. A lot of analysts believe that we could see, some inflated prices come. October is kind of a pivotal point there. September is going to be pretty crucial as well, because we're going to get, obviously some information from the Federal Reserve if they're going to cut interest rates. I'm anticipating they are, because there is a lot of pressure on them. But obviously, nothing's set in stone as of yet. Things could change. And but as long as things move forward in the right manner, we could see Bitcoin really rally here in the fall, and I'm very excited for it. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Let me know down below, you still holding your Bitcoin? if you're a Bitcoin holder, did you panic sell? It's okay. Sometimes we have to, make some mistakes in order to, kind of learn from them and stuff. But sometimes they're not mistakes. Sometimes you're taking profits. Sometimes you're like, that's your strategy kind of thing. And that's completely cool. But let me know down below what you think. Do you think Bitcoin is going to skyrocket come October? Thanks so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all your guys' support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.